Hey guys, thank you for checking out my video. This video is about cryptocurrency and what I've been doing as an investor to make money, passive income. So basically, for beginners, you want to do your research. Of course, you want to start out researching what coin you want to invest in, what coin wallet you want to start with. So for me, I started with Coinbase. It's a free wallet. You just basically attach your bank account, kind of like Cash App, and you deposit funds to invest in whatever coin of your choice is. Coinbase doesn't support all coins, so it's kind of like a starter. But you can go to Coinbase Pro. YouTube is your best friend. So just YouTube, you know, cryptocurrency wallets. You can even buy a hard drive wallet, like a USB type of plug-in from Amazon or, whatever. So just do your research. Bitcoin, as we all know, is one of the biggest crypto coins. Ethereum right now is the second largest, and I'm currently invested in Ethereum. It's been doing great numbers. Today's day 3. On my first night, I made like $40, $50 in my sleep. I think it was like $46 and change before the end of the morning. And by that night, I had made over $100. And right now, I'm at 266. So the price of Ethereum went up. I also invested in Zcash and Ethereum Classic. Now, if you go on YouTube, there's a video that tells you the difference between Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. It's actually a great story. But yeah, so it's really simple, you guys. Just message me if you have any questions, or, don't hesitate. That's all I can say. If you're thinking about it, inquire about it and just do it. Because it's better to just at least put some money into a coin and then trade it if it's doing bad, or it's all on you basically. But it's better to just have that money in there versus not to invest and watch it grow, because it will grow. Now, of course, nothing's guaranteed. You can lose money, but that's if the stock market, or the cryptocurrency market, should I say, crashes. And actually, since the stock market is not doing so well, the crypto market is doing phenomenal. Of course, it has its up and down days and times, but lately the market has been up. So if you have any questions, like I said, just message me, or Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'm here. All right. See you.